Hi, Dixie Bells and Bows. Let's make a Christmas bow. I want to use all 5 of these, and we're just going to make a, let's see, what are they called? I don't know, some kind of bow. I'm going to start with this beautiful damask 4-inch ribbon. It is just lovely and incredibly sparkly. Okay, we're gonna have, let's see, about a 12-inch tail on one side. And only about, let's see, do 7-inch loops. It's for a pretty big wreath. 7 inches. These 4-inch ribbons are hard to handle, but they sure are worth it. They really put on a show when you use them in your bows. Let's see. Go down to about an inch lower, an inch shorter loops. I don't have much of this one, but I think I have enough. Oops, pin came off of that. Off of my straight pin. The head came off the straight pin that I attached this with. Keep it closed in. Let's see, we're going to have to do some Cajun engineering here. Uh-oh, where's it at? There it is. All right. a little bit shorter. And for the final one, I have this really skinny glittery ribbon that matches this one right here. I love this little skinny ribbon, especially if it's glitter. Okay. Let me find a glitter pipe cleaner. Here we go. All right. Okay. That's what we have. All right, let's trim these tails. We're going to dovetail them, of course. These skinny ones just need to be cut at an angle.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.